We're back, we're live, and Eran Raven is about to play a potentially lethal game of Russian roulette. We have an ambulance and paramedics standing by. A warning, this is incredibly dangerous. Under no circumstances should you try this at any time. The audience must remain silent throughout this demonstration. Eran Raven.
If you've ever cheated death, you know. You appreciate the thrill of just being alive. I've been there. Tonight, I'm going back. And you're coming with me. 6 pneumatic nail guns, each numbered from 1 to 6, capable of shooting a nail at over 500 miles per hour, smashing through 2 inches of solid wood. Or 8 inches of skull and brain. 1 cartridge of 2-inch nails. Just making sure it's empty. Please do not try this at home. This is not the proper use of a nail gun. When a mask, raise the shield so no one sees which gun Carmen loads, as well as blindfold myself. Carmen, I want you to start touching each and every gun. Okay. Touch each and every gun and place the nails into the chamber of one of the guns. Continue touching every other gun. Be careful, don't touch the triggers and don't close the chambers. Let me know when you're done. Are you done?
I'm done.
Now going from one side of the table to the other, close the chamber of each one of the guns.
Okay.
Remember the number of the loaded gun. Be careful, don't touch the triggers. And when you're done, join me on my left, please.
Join you over here?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Okay.
Carmen, I'm going to blindfold you.
Okay.
So you're not tempted to stop me at the critical moment.
Okay.
Carmen, for the sake of our audience, have we ever met before?
No.
Would you swear under oath that you are the only person that knows which gun is loaded?
I swear.
In your mind, think about that loaded gun. Think about that number. Forget about the rest.
Okay.
In a loud monotone voice, I want you to count from 1 to 6.
Okay.
Count out loud, please.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Ladies and gentlemen, did she give it away? Could you intuit which gun was loaded? Would you bet your life on that guess? Let's listen again. Carmen, count one more time in reverse from 6 to 1.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Thank you. Carmen, we're left with guns 4, 5, and 6. Would you count 4, 5, and 6, please?
4, 5, 6.
We're left with guns 5 and 4. Would you say the numbers 5 and 4?
5, 4.
And one more time?
5, 4.
One more time.
5, 4.
Thank you very much. That was amazing.
Eran, my heart is in my mouth just like the rest of the audience. I don't quite believe what I've just seen. Carmen, you had his life in your hands. His hands. How do you feel?
It was weird. I mean, my heart's racing. I didn't really... It's just, luckily I was blindfolded, so I don't know if I would have been able to get through that if I was actually watching. So
I'm glad we're
scary.
having this
Very
conversation.
scary. I'm glad you're okay.
Thank you.
Uri, did he impress you?
Well, look, Eran, your performance created drama, danger, suspense, and you sort of seriously instilled in me the fear that you're going to get killed right here on live television. I think that you're taking a major risk every time you do this feat. Verdict, mind-blowing.
Criss?
Well, I want to applaud NBC for allowing a demonstration like this on, because I did the ultimate demonstration with a real gun, and I know what's at stake, and I applaud you for doing it. I think it was the most dramatic thing of the evening. I think it was a very nice presentation, very strong, and you did a great job.
Well, Criss and Uri have spoken.